Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many iPad Pro users have encountered, the frustrating issue of rapid battery drain during video playback. The iPad Pro can sometimes struggle when it comes to preserving battery life while watching videos. We'll equip you with some practical solutions to extend your iPad Pro's battery life during video playback. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. First things first, let's kick off with a simple yet effective fix. Restart your iPad Pro. Sometimes, glitches and memory leaks can lead to battery drain during video playback. A quick restart can clear those hiccups and give your battery a fresh start. Just press and hold the power button and volume up button until the slide to power off slider appears. Swipe it, wait a moment, and then power your iPad Pro back on. Second, keep your iPad Pro running smoothly by regularly updating both iOS and your apps. These updates often include bug fixes that can help optimize battery efficiency during video playback. Just head over to Settings General, then tap on Software Update for iOS updates, and visit the App Store for app updates. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your device is performing at its best. Third, give your iPad Pro a fresh start. Reset all settings to undo any customizations that might be causing battery drain. Head to Settings, then tap on General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPad. Reset, and finally select Reset All Settings. This can help eliminate any problematic tweaks and get your battery back on track during video playback. Fourth, switch things up. If battery drain persists, experiment with different video player apps like Infuse Pro, VLC, or MX Player. Sometimes, a change in the app can alleviate the drain issue. Download and try out these alternatives to see if your battery performance improves during video playback. Start fresh. If all else fails, back up your iPad data and reset to factory settings. This can help resolve persistent battery issues. Go to Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPad and erase all content and settings. Remember to test if the battery problem persists after the reset. Rapid battery drainage when playing videos on the iPad Pro can be annoying, but is rarely due to a hardware defect. In most cases, it is caused by software issues, heavy usage patterns, or an aging battery. With some diligent troubleshooting and tweaking of settings, you should be able to extend the iPad Pro's battery life during video playback considerably. Thanks for watching. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and solutions.